Greetings, this is Paul, and we are looking at the writer portion of OpenOffice.org. And in this section, we're going to talk about colors. Now, all printers today, basically for the home, are in colors. They have basically 4 different colors, which is black, which everybody knows, and red, green, and blue. So with the combination of 3 colors, we get up a total of about 256 colors altogether. And there's a whole lot of combinations that can be created in between. However, we're going to look at the general use of it and take notice now that we do have a title on the formatting bar. We do have a selection for causing our text to be whatever color we want it to be. It is a good idea to use this for creating accents on a document, and we're going to take a look at how to do this. Now, first of all, I'm going to start with a document that we do have created that I use for one of my handouts, and I'm going to just use a portion of it to be able to show you some of the things that we can do with this. So the first thing when wanting to select a special color for text, we need to take a document first, and we're going to select a portion of text like I have done right here. And right here I selected a highlighted text document, which is more than 1 word. And then from there, I'm going to go to the top and be able to make my selection for the color that I want. Take notice there's a down arrow up there, which you will be able to realize that you can make this selection of 110 colors basically right here. But take notice on the bottom line there, they're all blanks, which you can customize your own colors that you would want. However, for this exercise, we're going to just go with the basic here. We do have that text document highlighted, and we're going to go to the outline and be able to select what we have up there for it to be read. Now, once we have done that, we are able to go ahead and have that accent of red with our document. Many people will tend to highlight certain text that is important to them, that they're able to go back and pull it out very quickly and make special notation of it. Now, you can do this with your document as well. We can take our text and highlight this text for any selection we want it to be. Now, with this, we go into our document, and I have highlighted Writer, Impress, Base, Calc, Draw, and Math. Since they are important issues in my document, I want to highlight them, and I go to the top and be able to select the highlighter, which is the next key over, and the selected color is yellow. So what we do is we can use the down arrow key and be able to see that we also have a selection of 110 colors to use from, and this is very handy when we want to do it more than one time. So now we go into that selection and make it a color that we want it to be, and voila, we are not with the color we selected, but when we remove the cursor from that position, it will be yellow. So now we have stepped into 2 things of how we can use colors. First, we can have the text a special color, or we can highlight our text. Now, very often we will tend to want to highlight an entire paragraph or an entire sets of paragraphs or a portion of our document that we want to have highlighted. And to do this, we can take notice that I'm going to highlight this portion of my document to make it stand out and be special. And to do this, I'm going to go to the formatting toolbar again, and all the way over to the right, there is a spill can there, and all we have to do is have the selection with our cursor in that paragraph. We don't have to highlight the paragraph, but take notice we also are able to choose the 110 colors that are there, or if you have done so, you can even make some extra colors. And once you make your selection, that paragraph is highlighted with that color, and it's without making the complete selection of that paragraph. However, if you want to do more than one paragraph, you will have to extend your selection the same way as before. Well, this is the end of Unit 2, and you have covered in this unit the ability to recognize what the different toolbars are for Writer, how to use different colors and give special accent to your documents. One of the interesting things is good writers continue to write. As you develop your skills, it is a result of your efforts to continue. Nobody can learn this in an hour or as a passive thing. It needs to be something that you will on purposely do. Well, thank you again, and be sure to send me your comments and let me know if I can answer any questions for you. This is Paul Jones, and I hope to hear from you.